friends, it's Gabrielle Ishell. Thank you for tuning into my channel for Vlogmas 2022. I'm so excited to be doing Vlogmas this year. As you have all seen in my intro video slash Vlogmas day number 1, I'll leave that up in the cards above and in the description box below. But welcome to Vlogmas day 3. And today is actually, it's funny, today's video is actually being filmed for any of my other Vlogmas videos because I'm just showing you guys what I got when I went shopping at Homegoods. I went to Walmart and I went to Kohls and of course Amazon. So just showing you guys what I got, and so I am clearly doing this before I decorate my tree. I think it's just exciting and informative for some other people if you're actually looking for some of the same pieces that I got, if you see where I got things from. So without further ado, we are going to get into this haul. Of course I spent too much money. I was not trying to buy a whole bunch of new Christmas stuff this year, but I did. YOLO, you only live once. So at HomeGoods, I spent $124 and I got a few things. I got this really pretty Christmas tree. This one was $12.99. Then I got this Gabrielle basket. This was about $25. I got it because my family is doing a white elephant and we're supposed to spend $25, so I thought this would be a cool gift. I like this container that it comes in. I will actually like it for myself, but I like this container that it comes with. So even when you're done eating the chocolates, you'll still have something that you can use for decoration or whatever throughout the year. Next, I got this Be Merry serving dish. And it says it's made with real gold. Really beautiful. It was only $9.99, so I think this is a great deal. And then I got these really cute chocolatey dipped cocoa marshmallow toppers. And it says it's the flavor s'mores. It's the size of a circle, so like this big. It has a marshmallow, then it has some chocolate, and then some little marshmallows on top of that, and then some, it looks like graham cracker on it. I'm excited to put this on top of hot cocoa. This is really cool. And a box of 3, 5, 10, about 20 was $19.99. So the next one I got is just this gift box, and it just says fa la 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 la. And I think it's really cute. It's only $3.99, but I think it's perfect for a small little gift. In addition to the white elephant, we're also doing a name gift exchange, Secret Santa type thing. So I'm gonna get a gift. We have to spend like $100, but I'm gonna put this, if it's small enough, it'll go in here. Then I got this gift bag. I thought it was really cute. It just says from Santa. Next I got these dish towels, and they're really pretty. They go with my color scheme, which is silver and gold, not pink this year. This is actually a rollover from the previous season, which was fall. If you're interested in seeing how I decorated my mannequin tree for the fall or for last year, because I use pink, I always use pink, but this year we're doing something different. If you want to see those videos, I'll link them up above and in the description box below. Next, I got this really pretty fuzzy faux fur tree skirt. I love it because I wanted a faux fur one. I looked on Amazon, I looked at Walmart, and I found some. I actually did pick some up, and I'll show you guys that. It's a cream skirt that has like a little bit of gold throughout it, and it actually lights up like it shows here in this picture. And you know, I didn't get it because of that, because I did not even notice that. But very pretty. This is the one that I end up using for my tree. So that was all I got from HomeGoods. I was really good in not getting a lot of stuff from here because I had, earlier that day I went to Walmart and spent like $200. So since we're on tree skirts, let me show. I was so disappointed. I ordered a skirt from Walmart and I got a freaking pillow cover. So long story short, I was very disappointed. I was in Walmart and I saw the skirt that I wanted, and I couldn't ring it up because something was wrong with the little price tag. They don't do freaking They don't do freaking price match anymore. So even though I found it online, they couldn't just give it to me for that price. I don't know why, but I had to actually go online and order it online and have it shipped to me. Did that, and they sent me this freaking pillow cover. And it's cute. It's the same fabric and design that I wanted, but it's just not the right thing. So I basically paid $40 for this stupid pillow cover that I'm going to return tomorrow. And I'll show you guys a picture of the thing that I actually ordered right here. It was beautiful. My cream color, but whatever, I didn't get it. Next, I ordered this one from Amazon, and it's really cute. Still has the faux fur on the end, which is what I was really looking for this year when I was looking for the tree skirts. And it has my gold, which is what I wanted, the cream and gold. But I just like the one that I got from Homegoods better. So this one is going to be returned back to Amazon. And this one was probably like $20 or $30. So they're not that expensive if you only get one. I have 3 trees this year. So the last tree skirt I got from Walmart is actually really cute. It is a mini tree skirt, and this is going to be for next year because, you know, I'm going to go back to pink next year. But it's really cute. It was only $6. Next, I got these 2 stockings, although there's only one of me. I feel like you can't just have one stocking, Christmas stocking. So I got 2, and they are this cream color. And they look just like my tree. They have cream and then little hints of gold in them. Really cute. They were both $9.98 from Walmart. If I didn't need any more lights, I got them. I got some clear net lights for outside. So I do have 3 bushes outside. These are really cute. Just put those on top, and it's a net, so you just throw them on top. You don't have to worry about making them go around the bush and coming back around. You don't have to worry about that. And I got 2 of them. They were both $10.44, so they're not really expensive. $10.44. Next, I got some clear twinkling snowflake lights. There's 6 in here, and these were $11.98. I think this one is kind of on the expensive side because it only goes 6 feet wide, so we'll see. So I got some warm white lights for outside, and they have this really pretty bulb. So we got that this year, and these were $24.99. So I got 2 of these, which might be a little bit too much because I don't really have that much space outside anyway. And then I have the net light, so I might not even need both of these, but I got them both just in case. And I like how they have this roll here for easy storage because most of my lights are just thrown in a bag. I try to wrap them up, but it really doesn't work out for lights, so it's convenient that it has a little storage roll here. Okay, so next I got some really cute ribbon. It has actually a cheetah print on it, and it was so cute. This is from Walmart for $6.44. It's an 18-foot ribbon, and it goes 2.5 inches wide. And sorry for the glare. All this stuff is like white or cream, and you can't really see it, so I just have to give you guys B-roll footage. Next, I got this glitter wrapping paper. This was actually from Marshall's. This was the only thing I got from Marshall's because I had to do a return. And I saw this gold paper, and I'm like, yes, it goes with my colors. So it looks brown from here, but it's gold. That was $3.99. Next, I got a few tree toppers, and I actually don't know if I want to keep these because they're just basic to me. I think everyone does like stars, but I don't want to do a star. I want to do like an angel or maybe a ribbon, a bow or something. I don't know. The smaller one was $4.98 and the larger one was $12.98. So I think that's a lot for something that I might not actually want. So we'll see if I actually decide to keep those after putting up my tree. So next I got these bells from Walmart. They were $2.98 and I got them because I want to do a DIY wreath. So make sure you're subscribed to check out the rest of my VLOGMAS videos. This will definitely be one. I'm going to be doing a flocked Christmas wreath. and I'll be using these to decorate it. Next, I got some ornaments, as if I don't already have a lot. I have 26 shatterproof ornaments, and these were $5.98. Really pretty in the colors white and gold. I don't think I have any white ornaments really, but I have gold and silver. But these are really pretty. I got this, it has 26 pieces. And then I also got 2 of these. So I got, these both have 40 pieces in them. So I have about 106 new ornaments. Like I needed any more. But I think these are super cute, and I will be able to use them across my trees and on my wreath that I make. Since I'm doing 3 trees this year, I need a little bit more ornaments. So I think they're super cute. I also bought 2 trees from Walmart. The first one was a 7-foot pencil tree, and it was $99.99. The second one was a 4-foot pencil tree, and that one was $39.99. Both from Walmart. That was all from Walmart. Then I went to Kohls, and I got some things there. You guys know when you take back Amazon items to Kohls, they give you like $5 coupon or Kohls cash, and that really gets me shopping. So that's a good strategy there. So I got this one ornament, and it has beads that spell out joy. I thought it was cute. And then this one was, it says $12.99, but I think it was like 60% off. I paid $3.95. That was basically free with my $5 Kohls cash. And then I got this really cool EOS Evolution of Smooth Let's Toast to the Holidays limited edition lip balm. I really need it because it's getting cold outside and my lips are getting chapped. And it's cute. Also got this rug, and it's just gonna go in the back by my deck. This was originally $39.99, but $15 for this, so it was like half off basically. Those are all the things that I got for my Christmas decorating this year. I already have tons of Christmas decor in my garage. I would say 90% of the things that are stored in my garage is Christmas stuff, and it's really ridiculous because I love decorating for Christmas. So I did get some more, and now I gotta find a spot to put them, but it makes me happy, so why not? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to see the rest of my Vlogmas 2022. I have a lot of fun things that I am doing this winter, and I'm excited to share them with you. And I'm really excited to do Vlogmas again. As I said before, I'm saying it again, I love Christmas and Christmas season, the Christmas spirit. I'm definitely in the Christmas spirit. I'm playing Christmas music already. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to leave me a comment below if you liked any of the things that I picked up, or just let me know what you picked up for Christmas decor. Or if you didn't, if you're just using the same things that you had last year, let me know that in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Thanks for watching Vlogmas 2022.